Happy Tuesday, everybody. I'm gonna do a walk through my garden. My cabbage plants are coming up nicely. My nice neighbor gave me some onions with some very good scallions already starting. Yeah, coming along great. Look at that beet plant's doing good. There's another one over there. There's, well, that middle row is cantaloupes. I haven't seen. There's a couple things popping up. I'm not sure if they're cantaloupes. We'll see though. Anyway, my papayas are over here. I need to weed this. But there are some carrots down here. I don't weed it because I'm letting the weeds grow up for the rabbits. Those are my starter plants. Oh, let's look in here. These are all baby papayas. Yep. My bell peppers. Had to shade them again because they're starting to turn yellow. This is a nice papaya coming up. Okay, off to the rabbit garden. There's Duck Duck. He's had a bath. He's happy. He's looking good. All right. Rabbit garden is flourishing. Dandelions. I couldn't remember last time. But these are dandelions. And I can come in and cut these bottom leaves off because it keeps coming out of the top, of course. So I get nice rabbit food, fresh rabbit food, and I get to plant. I planted that one today. These are sunflowers. Oh, look at my sunflowers. Let me see how tall they're getting. Yeah, they're coming right on up. Yep. So anyway, that's my running weed. I don't know what kind of weed it is, but rabbits love it. Planted that one today. They look sorry, but in about a week, if that, it'll be spruced up because I just planted it. I planted that leafy weed today too. It's wilted, but I just a couple days it'll spruce up. Anyway, yeah, coming along good. Rabbits eat better than I do. Anyway, oh, and these, of course, I'm gonna let them grow it with sunflowers, but I can also get the leaves off the bottoms as they're growing. Some nice clover right here. Oh, Duck Duck wants to say hi. Hi, Duck Duck. Hi, Duck Duck. Wagging Happy Duck. Wagging their tail. Yes, there is. There's Happy Duck. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, and Chick Chick's right here. Hey, Chick Chick. Always have helpers. I always have helpers. Yeah. Girls. Oh, there's the other girls. Hey, girls. Hey, girls. They're great layers. Duck Duck wants some lovins. Yes, Duck Duck wants some lovins. You want to see the camera? You want to see the camera? Tell the people hey. Tell the people hey. You gonna tell the people hey? Anyway, hope everybody has a great day.